First off, I want to give all praises and glory to the Most High Yahawah in the name of His only begotten Son YAHAWASHI, in the name of the Holy Spirit. In Hebrew, it's called Allah Yahawah Bahashem YAHAWASHI Bahashem Rahach Kodash. Double honors unto the elders and apostles of GMS who taught me this truth. Salutations to all the brothers out there that's teaching this word in truth and sincerity, and peace, blessings, and healings on to the elect, because that's why we do these videos. And today, man, I want to talk about this. It says California governor declares emergency as wildfire near Yosemite forces thousands to flee. YAHAWASHI said, he a consuming fire, and he came to send fire on earth. And what if it be if it's already kindled? I'm going to get those scriptures. There's a lot of stuff to this, you know what I'm saying, that the left-hand side is going to use in the media to try to scare people. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to talk about that. It says a food shortage is coming, even in the U.S. Drought. There's a big drought in the West. And famines are going to be worldwide. Thus saith the Bible, man. Thus saith YAHAWASHI. Inflation, it's already here. And green policies, which we know that they already want to do. They want to do this technocracy, make everything digital, you know what I'm saying? Have everybody in this digital system, by the way of using these green policies, by the way of climate change and all this other stuff. Start making unlawful decrees down the pipeline and threatening the U.S. food supply. Heat wave hits U.S. farms, stressing crops and ranchers' herds, Interesting video. CNN technical director caught on film talking about how they are going to make climate change and global warming the next big thing. And people had caught them on camera saying this. You know what I'm saying?
New story comes up, they're going to latch onto it. They've already announced in our office that once the public will be open to it, we're going to start focusing mainly on climate, like global warming, and like that's going to be our next I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for? It's going to be our focus. Our focus was to get Trump out of office, right? Without saying it, that's what it was, right? So our next thing is going to be for climate change awareness.
What does that look like?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I have a feeling it's just going to be like constantly showing videos of like decline in ice and weather warming up and like the effects it's having on the economy and really diving into
Who decides that?
the head of the network,
Who's that? Is that Zucker?
Zucker, yeah. I imagine that he's got his council and they've all discussed where they think
So that's the next.
Their counsel, man, you know what I'm saying? Like it says in Psalms 64, hide me from the secret counsel of the wicked, from the insurrection of workers of iniquity, man.
Your card and the United Nations are joining forces to monitor the carbon effect of your credit card purchases. And then you'll hit your carbon max and it'll stop working.
YAHAWASHI said he was going to lift up their skirt in the last days. He was going to expose them in the last days. So we're not ignorant of Satan's devices, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything's being brought to the light, So on the right hand, YAHAWASHI said he was sending fire on the earth. What if it already be kindled? Let me get that. This is Luke 12:49. I am come to send fire on earth. And what will I if it already be kindled? He working on the right hand, working on the left hand too, man. So let's look at these pictures real quick in Yosemite, because they had thousands of people flee, man. Just burning everything up. He gonna burn everything up in the last days with the nuclear fire, but what if it already be kindled? All this stuff. Look at this, man. YAHAWASHI is doing all this, man. Doesn't matter if it's on the right hand or the left hand. He the one that controls both. You know, fires be devastating to nature, man. You know what I'm saying? So I want to read a little bit of this stuff. Food shortage is coming, even in the U.S. Drought and inflation and green policies are threatening U.S. food supply. So I just want to go down here. You know, it says record temperatures and the worst drought in more than a decade mean there isn't grass for the animals to eat. And hey, the alternative is that they want you to eat bugs, man. But it's tough to come by as higher fuel costs make it harder to transport from other states. The cost of hay in her area is around 220 a row compared with about 45 in normal times and 120 in a typical drought year, she says. None of the ranchers I know want to get out, but they have to. Slater says of the livestock liquidation, everybody is selling because they can't feed them and no one is buying the cows to raise. You know, YAHAWASHI are breaking that staff of bread, you know, using the left hand. You know what I'm saying? You got Bill Gates buying up all the farmland, blah, blah, blah. It says that suggests more meat and lower prices in the near term, but Texas Farm Bureau said in a report this past week that much of the current breeding herd is going to processing plants. Calf numbers will fall in years ahead. As Slater puts it, if everyone sells out of cattle now, what are we going to do later on? We're going to make y'all eat bugs, man. Make y'all eat maggots and shit. So moving on to this next one, it says heat wave hits U.S. farms, stressing crops and ranchers' fields. Now going down, I think this is interesting. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to read this. It says about 250 miles away from Slater, Stephanie Brentney is getting nervous, but from a different reason. Brentney, a longtime banker at Wildfire National Bank in Veteran, Texas, says her bank has been fielding calls lately from farmers approached by solar companies interested in their land. First, the companies asked to test the land over about a year, during which time the farmer can continue growing crops such as wheat. Then, if the testing goes well, the solar company either offers to buy the land or lease it for 20 to 30 years. You know, the offers are hard to refuse. Farmland often best meets solar site requirements, and Bentley says solar companies are paying as much as $800 an acre in this area of wheat belt for leases that last for decades. That's $520,000 a year for section of land, 640 acres, and alternative lifeline for farmers increasingly strapped by rising input prices and unfavorable weather. The left hand's going hard trying to gather all this up, but you read down. One part of the story is that investors have sought farmland as an inflation hedge. Bill Gates, the largest private owner of U.S. farmland, said on social media platform Reddit earlier this year that his investment group is buying up the land. So all this is connected, man. You know what I'm saying? Because they got the media. You know, they can say whatever they want. This, that, blizzy bloggy. Why they got these people in dark places doing their thing, what they always want to do, these green policies, you know what I'm saying? Like Bill Gates said in his Red TED Talk a decade ago that he wanted to cut carbon emissions down to zero, and the people who release the most carbon is what the human being, you know, so they trying to filter y'all into this NWO system, man. They're working hard, you know what I'm saying? But YAHAWASHI said, well, whatever's in the dark will come to the light. This is Luke 12:2. For there is nothing covered that shall not be revealed, neither hid that shall not be known. You know what I'm saying? So YAHAWASHI is exposing these people, man, you know, on a big scale. This is why I wanted to talk about this. You know what I'm saying? CNN technical director caught on film talking about how they are going to make climate change and global warming the next big thing. You know what I'm saying? YAHAWASHI said he would bring everything in the dark to the light. You can go look this up. You know, these climate lockdowns and all this stuff. They're going to push this on the media as hard as they can. But YAHAWASHI said he would make all their plans known, point blank, period. This is 2 Ezra 6:63. Surely he knoweth your inventions and what you think in your hearts, even them that sin and would hide their sin. He's uncovering all these people, man. He's letting it be known worldwide. If you don't take heed, that's your problem. Therefore, have the Lord exactly searched out all your works, and he will put you all to shame. YAHAWASHI is going to put y'all to shame, man. There really ain't nothing y'all people can do. He's lifting up y'all's skirt, man. This is Psalms 10:15. Break thou the arm of the wicked and the evil man. Seek out his wickedness till thou find none. You know what I'm saying? YAHAWASHI is exposing all this stuff. This is Lamentations 4:21. Rejoice and be glad, O daughter of Edom. Who's Esau Edom, the so-called white man, that dwelleth in the land of Uz. The cup also shall pass through unto thee, Thou shalt be drunken, and thou shalt make thyself naked, making thyself naked, exposing you. The punishment of that iniquity is accomplished. O daughter of Zion, he will no more carry thee away into captivity. He will visit thine iniquity, O daughter of Edom. He will discover thy sins. Y'all trying to do this NWO, man. Everybody can see it, especially if you have a shot, open your eyes, man. This is Jeremiah 49:10. But I have made Esau bare. Who's Esau? Esau is Edom. Let me get that real quick. Genesis 36:8. Thus dwell Esau in Mount Seir. Esau is Edom, man. But I have made Esau bare. I have uncovered his secret places and shall not be able to hide himself. His seed is spoiled in his brethren and his neighbors, and he is not. So he has uncovered them secret places, man. Their plans are all out in the open for everybody to see today. That's why if you people go along with it, then you're an idiot. This is Isaiah 47:3. Thy nakedness shall be uncovered, yea, thy shame shall be seen. I will take vengeance. I will not meet thee as a man. The second coming is all about YAHAWASHI not coming as a man. It's coming in his angelic form, and he's going to destroy them, man. Let me get these scriptures on this fire real quick. This is Psalms 29:6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire. So YAHAWASHI is the one that's bringing all these droughts, these fires, really. You know what I'm saying? Because he controls, light and dark. You know what I'm saying? And you can get that in Isaiah 45:7. I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create evil. I, YAHAWASHI, do all these things. That's why I say the right hand and the left hand, because YAHAWASHI controls the right hand and he controls the left hand too, man. Everything's going according to plan. His prophecies are going to take place the way he said they would. Shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and thy people not be afraid? Shall there be evil in the city, and YAHAWASHI have not done it? Surely YAHAWASHI will do nothing but revealeth his secret unto his servants the prophets. So we just supposed to break it down plain and simple to the people so they can understand. This is Psalms 83:14. As the fire burneth for wood, and as the flame settleth the mountains on fire, so persecute them with a tempest and make them afraid of thy storm. YAHAWASHI is making you afraid with these wildfires, making your people flee. This is 2 Ezra 5:8. There shall be a confusion also in many places, and the fire shall be oft sent out again. You know what I'm saying? Just like I come to send fire on earth, and what will I if it already be kindled, man? And the wild beasts shall change their places. When fires go, the beasts scatter somewhere else. And mischievous women shall bring forth monsters, because these women, they're having babies out of wedlock. And I wanted to get this too. Shakurajima volcano erupts violently in Japan. Level 5 alert, the highest alert possible. Evacuations and videos and pictures. So YAHAWASHI is doing this too, man. You know what I'm saying? Having volcanoes go off in the last days, wildfires in the last days, drought. He's going to bring famines in the last days, you know what I'm saying? Pestilences. They just had this MP, now it's a great threat. You know what I'm saying? They upgraded it to, that polka dot disease. They had it. It's a universal, emergency now. You know what I'm saying? This is Joel chapter 2, verse 30. And I will show wonders in heavens and in the earth, blood, fire, and pillars of smoke. YAHAWASHI is doing exactly what he said he would do in the last days. Acts 2 and 19. And I will show wonders in heaven above and signs in the earth beneath, blood and fire and vapor of smoke. So the moral of the story is YAHAWASHI controls everything that's going on, man. And he's exposing the wicked in the last days for their plans. You know what I'm saying? They want to do all these green policies, and they'll change the laws in however way that will fit their narrative and their mission. You know what I'm saying? But it doesn't matter what they do, how they do it. You people that's listening, if you got this far, don't be tricked and don't fall into these fear tactics these people use. Only fear YAHAWASHI and don't fear these people. Don't fear man. You know what I'm saying? In their plans. Because YAHAWASHI got bigger plans. He controls all this stuff, man. There ain't nothing to be afraid of. Just repent, turn back to YAHAWASHI. If God be for us, who can be against us? You know what I'm saying? Double honors unto the elders and apostles of GMS who taught me the truth and call Allah YAHAWASHI.